Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to install the Litetronics LED Strip Fixture.
Here are the tools you'll need to complete the project. First, turn off the power. Next, remove the screws on the bracket side and swing the fixture open. Disconnect the clips and separate the lamp from the housing. To mount the housing, first pull the incoming wires through the housing cover plate. Then secure it to your surface using the appropriate mounting screws and anchors. Once the fixture is mounted, hang the lamp by reattaching its clips to the housing screws. Gently tug the lamp down until the clips are properly seated. Now connect the lamp to the incoming power and ground. If dimming applies, connect the purple and gray wires to the incoming dimming lines. Once wiring is complete, swing the lamp up into the closed position. Ensure that the brackets are flush to the outside of the housing wall. Then secure the brackets using the original screws. Restore the power and your installation is complete. I hope you found this video helpful. You're now ready to enjoy dependable LED light with dramatic energy savings. To try our product out for yourself, simply request a free 60-day trial at litetronics.com/free trial.